In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive sharing files and folders. If you've shared something in OneDrive and later decide that you no longer want other people to access it, the process is pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to remove the sharing link so the file or folder is no longer available through that link. To get started, open OneDrive and go to the My Files section. This is where all of your files and folders are stored, and it's the easiest place to locate the item you previously shared. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you use more than one Microsoft account. Once you're in My Files, find the specific file or folder that is currently being shared. Take a moment here to double check that you've selected the right item. This is important because any changes you make to sharing access will apply only to that file or folder. After you've found it, click the three-dot menu next to the file or folder. This opens a list of additional options related to that item. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. The three-dot menu is often where OneDrive places its extra controls. From that menu, click Manage Access. This area shows you how the file or folder is currently being shared. You may see people who have direct access, as well as one or more sharing links that were created to let others open the item. Now look for the section with the sharing links. Select the link you want to remove, then click the delete icon next to it. Deleting the link stops that particular sharing method from working. In other words, anyone using that link will no longer be able to open the file or folder through it. If there are multiple links listed, make sure you remove the correct one, or remove all of them if you want to fully stop link-based sharing. Keep in mind that deleting a link does not necessarily remove direct access for people who were specifically granted permissions in another way. So, if access still appears to exist, check the rest of the Manage Access panel carefully. And that's it. By going to My Files, locating the shared item, opening the three-dot menu, selecting Manage Access, and deleting the sharing link, you can stop OneDrive from sharing that file or folder. This is a useful step anytime you want to improve privacy, limit access, or clean up old shared links.